General, it's NORAD.
General Gray here.
Al?
All satellite, microwave, and ground communications with the cities are down.
All systems
From our
gone.
intelligence, we believe we're looking at a total loss.
How about our boys? Where are they?
ETA to target. 4 minutes.
I shouldn't have left her.
Don't worry about it, big man. I'm sure she got out of here before it happened. Or, as the good Reverend would say, why we're on this particular mission, we'll never know. But I do know, here today, that the Black Knights will emerge victorious once again.
Amen, man.
Amen, Reverend.
Holy crap! Lock and load.
Roger that. Los Angeles Attack Squadron has AMRAAM missiles locked on target.
Washington, New York Squadron is reporting lock on.
Fire at will.
Fire at will.
Fire at will.
Knights, we are red and free. Night 1, Fox 3. Night 3, Fox 3. Night 7, Fox 3.
Missiles have been fired.
Are they not getting through?
No, sir, not one.
Command, Night 1. Command, Night 1. Switching to Sidewinders, moving in. Night 3, the 50. Knights, reference 120. Night 7, 120. Night 1, sweet lock, control, Fox 2. Night 7, Fox 2. Come on, come on. They must have some kind of protective shield over that hull. Knights, pull up, pull up! Night 3, pull up! Rules of showing complete failure in the staff! Pull up! Blow through, blow through! So many of them!
You got another one, sir.
Oh no, you did not shoot that green shit at me! I got you covered, Big Daddy. Damn, they got shields too! Nice move, nice move! Jesus!
We got another one, sir. 2 more just went down. They're dropping like flies.
We're losing. All right, get them out of there.
All right, squadron leaders, retreat to fallback position. Support mission right away. You read it. You copy.
All right, I think we're gonna have to make a run for this one here. Let's get low, let's get fast. I got you, Big Daddy. Let's get him. Watch the deck.